All right, Ryan Corbett, Icon Shelter Systems, Holland, Michigan.
All right, so Ryan, you are a graduate of the Industrial Arts Institute program, cohort 3.
Correct.
And you are back here today, hopefully hiring some of these students.
That's the goal.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about the program you went through and some of the things that you've heard and seen interviewing today and what you're looking for.
So the program I went through, definitely very new in its time, very well-rounded on getting the hands-on experience of all processes of welding, from soldering all the way up to MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Beautiful class, great training, great hands-on instructors, and I can tell by all these students that I'm speaking with today that it seems to have evolved dramatically since my time here at IAI. A lot more blueprint reading, hands-on training with that, CNC machining, robotic welding. That's something that's taken off a lot more lately in the job market today that we're noticing. Just a very wholesome group of guys and a gal, which is great to see. Didn't have any gals in my class, but great school. They're turning out great guys, and it just seems like they're a lot more confident and comfortable leading into their next step of their career.
What are you looking for specifically for Icon Shelters? And that's based in Holland, Michigan, correct?
Holland, Michigan, correct. So above all, anybody would prefer to have this, but just a great attitude and great work ethic. Most of the individuals I'm speaking with today, they seem excited, they're eager, and I like that. I like to see drive, I like to see attention to detail, and they seem very, very interested. And relocation is, of course, going to be a challenge just because we're so far away, but I think a lot of people are going to be willing to overcome that and take the next step.
That's awesome. So you graduated from cohort 3, you got a job at Icon Shelters, and now here you are years later hiring for the same program you graduated.
It's
Full circle.
Full circle, absolutely.
Awesome.
It's a beautiful thing, you know, having fun. Been meaning to get up here for a long time. Holland's a big area, so we're able to fill positions pretty quick, but as of lately, it's been kind of a struggle. So reaching out and touching base with the alumni here and having fun doing it.
That's awesome. Well, thanks, Ryan.
You're very welcome.